Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn off Discord app playback on your Android device. If you've been experiencing issues with Discord playing in the background while using other apps, follow these simple steps to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Once in Settings, find and tap on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find the Discord app. Once you've located Discord, tap on it to open the app settings. Within the Discord app settings, look for the option that says Appear on top and tap on it. This will bring up a menu with additional settings. Finally, find the option to Allow Permission and turn it off. This will prevent Discord from playing in the background while you're using other apps on your device. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off Discord app playback on your Android device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.